one. So I probably saw a teenager playing with his RC car at night, and it's probably almost 10 o'clock p.m. I'm not sure why it's there. That at first I heard that. I looked around my room, and I looked at the window. I thought it was probably nothing. It was not Santa until I realized he had his RC car. Like, why are you playing this RC car on Christmas Eve and on 10 o'clock? The Santa might come to our apartment. So yeah, it's Santa's real. Whoa. And everyone should be sleeping, but not everybody. Some children's supposed to be asleep because it's December 21st, and Santa might come to our apartment in the 1 in the morning, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, 9, 10, blah 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 blah. Most likely 11, 12, 13. It's most likely 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, and most likely 1. And Merry Christmas, everyone. And I have my Christmas. I see some Christmas lights. And again, Merry Christmas, everyone.